These 8 simple tips will help you eat healthier. A healthy diet involves eating enough calories to match your activity level. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. 1. Eat high-fiber starchy carbs. You should eat about 33% starchy carbohydrates. Potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and cereals. Choose whole wheat pasta, brown rice, and skin-on potatoes. They have more fiber than refined starchy carbohydrates and might keep you fuller. Include a starchy item with each big meal. Starchy foods contain carbohydrate, which has fewer calories than fat per gram. Oil on chips, butter on bread, and creamy sauces on pasta all add calories, so watch out for them while cooking or serving. 2. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Eat at least 5 servings of fruit and vegetables daily. Fresh, frozen, canned, dry, or juiced. Getting your 5 a day is simple. Why not cut a banana over your breakfast cereal or replace your mid-morning snack with fresh fruit? 80 grams is a serving of fresh, tinned, or frozen produce. 30 grams of dried fruit is a lunchtime portion. A 150 milliliters glass of fruit juice, vegetable juice, or smoothie counts as 1 serving, but restrict yourself to 1 per day because these drinks are sweet and can harm your teeth. 3. Eat fish, especially oily fish. Fish provides protein, vitamins, and minerals. Eat 2 servings of fish a week, including 1 of fatty fish. Omega-3s in oily fish may reduce heart disease. Oily fish. Salmon, trout, herring, sardines, pilchards, mackerel. Non-oily fish. Haddock, plaice, collie, cod, tuna, skate hake. Canned and smoked fish are salty, so pick fresh or frozen. Most individuals should consume more fish, but some types have limits. 4. Reduce sugar and saturated fat. Saturated fat. You need fat, but watch the amount and type. Saturated and unsaturated fats exist. Saturated fat raises blood cholesterol, increasing heart disease risk. Men should limit saturated fat to 30 grams per day. Women should limit saturated fat intake to 20 grams per day. Children under 5 should not have a low-fat diet, although they should have less saturated fat than adults. Foods like sausages, butter, hard cheese, cream cakes, biscuits, lard pies. Try vegetable oils, spreads, oily salmon, and avocados instead of saturated fat. Instead of butter, lard, or ghee, use a little vegetable or olive oil or reduced fat spread for a healthier option. Choose lean meat and trim any fat. All fats are high in energy, so eat them in moderation. Sugar. Sugary foods and drinks induce obesity and tooth decay. Sugary meals and drinks are high in energy, kilojoules or calories, and might cause weight gain if taken frequently. If consumed between meals, they might cause tooth decay. Honey, syrups, unsweetened fruit juices, and smoothies contain free sugars. Instead of fruit and milk sugar, cut this. Many packaged foods and drinks have surprisingly high free sugars. Foods like sugary sodas, sweet cereals, baked goods, chocolate and booze. Food labels aid. They measure food sugar. High sugar foods have 22.5 grams or more total sugars per 100 grams, while low sugar foods have 5 grams or less. 5. Limit salt to 6 grams per day for adults. Salt increases blood pressure. High blood pressure increases heart disease and stroke risk. Even without salt, you may eat too much. Breakfast cereals, soups, breads, and sauces already include 3/4 of your salt intake. Reduce using food labels. High-salt cuisine has more than 1.5 grams per 100 grams. Adults and children over 11 should limit salt intake to 6 grams per day. Younger kids need less. 6. Stay fit and healthy. Regular exercise and healthy nutrition may lower your chance of significant health disorders. It also benefits your health. Exercise advantages and adult physical activity guidelines. Obesity can cause type 2 diabetes, cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Underweight can harm health. Most adults must cut calories to lose weight. Eat less and exercise to reduce weight. Eating well can help you stay slim. BMI Healthy Weight Calculator. The NHS Weight Loss Plan is a 12-week diet and exercise program. Underweight adults, please ask your doctor or dietitian about weight concerns. 7. Avoid thirst. Drinking enough fluids prevents dehydration. The government advises drinking 6 to 8 glasses daily. In addition to food-derived fluids, all non-alcoholic drinks qualify, although water, low-fat milk, and low-sugar drinks like tea and coffee are better. Avoid high-calorie soft and fizzy drinks. They damage teeth. Unsweetened fruit juice and smoothies have lots of free sugar. Fruit, vegetable, and smoothie drinks should not exceed 150 milliliters per day. Hot temperatures and exercise require more fluids. 8. Eat breakfast. Some avoid breakfast to reduce weight. However, a breakfast high in fiber and low in fat, sugar, and salt can be part of a balanced diet and provide essential nutrients. A healthy breakfast is whole grain cereal with semi-skimmed milk and fruit. Like, share, comment,